With the next slide, I want to talk about the best practices for conducting a Zoom call. Now, the reality is the folks at Zoom have gotten a little bit of grief because while they developed this great platform, they never foresaw it becoming so in demand so quickly. And there are some security and privacy concerns with Zoom that I just want to share all of these to make sure our overview of Zoom. Number one is do not use your personal meeting ID when you have your own Zoom. You can set up another ID, use a specific ID for that Zoom, not your personal one. Select a unique password every time you schedule a new meeting. Now, if you have a group of friends, you can use the same password when you get back to them. But if you're Zooming with different friends, give out different passwords for each Zoom. Most important one, and this one drives me crazy, folks, but never post your meeting ID or password to social media. Invite your guests directly via email or text message. You can put something on social media saying you're doing a Zoom, but have people private message you, inbox you for the instructions on how to get into that meeting. Or if you have a closed group on Facebook, that's different. But don't put that information out to the public at large. Use the waiting room feature. That way people have to wait for you, the person who's running the meeting, to allow them into the meeting. Do not allow screen sharing. Lock the meeting. Remove unwanted participants by using the participant menu and mute participants if necessary. So